intersection here. And which way we're gonna go? Lots of massage parlors on Soi Buakhao. Nice to meet you. I'm from Miami.
Oh, I'm from Oakland, California.
Oh, okay. Good, brother. Good. My best friend is from Oakland.
Okay.
His name's Courtney.
Good to know you,
Yes, from the
bro.
Bay Area. Nice to meet you, bro. Yeah, nice to meet you. Welcome back to another episode of In My Dreams, you guys. It's a place where I'm living mine, and I'm gonna teach you guys how to live yours too, because that's what life is about. And today, guys, it's another beautiful day in Pattaya. We are now right off of Soi Buakhao. We are in Soi Pattayasaidsong 11. That's where we are now. So we're just going on a little daily walk. It's another beautiful day in Thailand. So yes, guys. Okay, let me clean off my. No, my lenses. I thought my lens is dirty. But yeah, guys. Just another daily. So please enjoy the view. It's March. Today is March, you guys. And it is a beautiful day. It is now March 2nd here in Pattaya. It's the sweet spot. I think it's easy to say that high season's over. We're now in the sweet spot, you guys. So let me give you a quick update. Right now it is 12:53, about 1 p.m. in the afternoon. And we'll see what's the temperature today. Today's temperature 92 degrees. 92. So please just enjoy. We'll take a walk down this soi here. I'm gonna go around, we'll walk back. See how everything's going. Oh, there's something nice over the end there. The other end. So yeah, guys, today I already hit the gym today. I already ate good today. So now we're getting the daily walk in. I thought it'd be a good idea to come down this way just to see what it's like in March. Daytime, there's a lot going on. There's a lot of traffic coming down Soi Buakhao. We got it's a lot more going down that end. You guys, just another beautiful day. Okay, goes here. But yeah, guys, I'm just gonna roll the camera here. I'm not gonna say much on this one either.
But for $2, I got.
Let's take a look out here. Yeah, we'll just keep it moving. There's Central. So we're gonna walk up Pattayasaidsong 9. See what's going on over here. Take a quick walk down here. Looks like everybody's eating and enjoying the day. Yes, the best, the sweet spot. Not too many people at all. This is what you want it to be. You want it to be just nice, not too crowded, not too many people here, you know. A lot of massage girls out early. Hi. This is gonna take us back up to Soi Buakhao up here. So we'll see how that is. It's another happy day in Pattaya, you guys. Beautiful outside. What else could you ask for? No one to bother you. You're just on your own. You can wake up, go outside, and hopefully not get hit by a car. Just like that. It's like he kind of, you know, swerved a little bit too close. You had the whole road, bro. You had the whole road. But yes, this is Tree Town, daytime. Ain't no one here. So let me get up here and I'll come back. But yeah, guys, here we go. We are at the intersection here. And which way are we gonna go? Probably walk back down this way. Seems to be a lot going on this way. So we'll do that. Massage today. A lot of girls down this way. There's a massage. There's a massage on too. That's crazy. Lots of massage parlors on Soi Buakhao. Many. So if you need a massage, you guys, just come to Soi Buakhao this time of the day. In March. It's different high season. What was that? Somebody I knew, he beeped at me. I don't know who that was. What is it? yeah, guys, not bad at all. I'm enjoying this walk. Sorry, guys, I'm not saying much, but I'm enjoying the walk. As I said earlier, I already hit the gym and everything. I already ate. So once I'm done this walk, I go to eat again. Try to get that weight up. I'm just lifting. That's all I'm doing, you guys. We are staying focused. We're in the gym. We're not partying. We're not drinking. We're sober. We don't drink, you know? What's down this way? We'll walk down this way a little bit. And we're gonna come back. Right. This is Soi LK Metro. That's what this is, LK. Been here too many times. This is actually the first bar I came to when I first came to Thailand. Too funny. And then ended up at one of these. You good? How are you? Good. Where are you from?
Australia.
My name's Keith. I'm from America.
No, yeah.
Yes, sir. Yes. Are you here on vacation?
Yeah, man. Yeah.
Yeah. Cool, man. Cool. I live here, but it's just nice to see people here are happy.
Yeah, it's great.
You know,
Yeah.
yes. Yeah. How long are you here?
Just 2 weeks, man.
Oh, good. Good.
Makes you feel like
2 weeks.
you're living life properly. Eh?
Yeah, exactly. It's I mean, America is we kind of have the same, like, the way we go about life. It's like Western lifestyle.
Yeah, man.
But once you come here, everything just goes away.
Australia, you're trapped because it's a woman's world.
Exactly. I had an Australian guy tell me, he was like, "What's the most dangerous animal on the planet?"
Female.
Exactly.
I don't know.
I was going with like different animals. He was like, "It's the female." Bro.
Yeah,
Yes.
bro. Especially in Australia.
Yeah, exactly. It's well all over the world, especially in America
They have
too.
a slip, bro. Get away with anything.
Especially in America. But yeah, brother. I'm
Nice
just
to
saying
meet you,
hello.
bro.
Yeah, nice to meet you too. I just shoot YouTube, so that's all I'm doing. Just going for a walk. I went to the gym already this morning. I ate already, so now I'm just go for a walk and then I go back to eat and then work on the computer a little bit.
Beautiful.
That's my life, bro.
Yeah, have a good day.
Yes, you too,
Take
bro.
care.
Nice to meet you.
Thank you.
I'll see you around. See, people are very nice here. But they got these recent massage joints everywhere. Recent massage. They must make good money because there's like 10 of them joints. But yeah, guys, I think a lot of you guys know where we are. If you made it this far in the video, you guys, please leave a like, hit subscribe, leave a comment. I reply to all comments, you guys. Getting that daily walk in. Right. Okay. Who the fuck is that? I don't know who the fuck that is. I'm sure none of us know who the fuck that guy is. Sorry for my language. I just thought it was funny. There's cameras everywhere. Just so you guys know. Just a reminder, it is 2026. There are fucking cameras everywhere. No matter where you fucking go, there's a camera. Just a reminder. $25 for some food. Kind of want some. 55. Nah, I'm good. What's good, brother? How are you? Nice to meet you. I'm from Miami.
Oh, I'm from Oakland, California.
Oh, okay.
What's up, bro?
Good, brother. Good. My best friend is from Oakland.
Okay.
His name's Courtney.
Good to know you,
Yes,
bro.
from the Bay Area. Nice to
I'll
meet you,
catch
bro.
up, bro.
Yeah, nice to meet you. What is this? 11. I can't remember. Oh yeah, it's 11. Okay. But yeah, guys, it's a regular beautiful day, guys. Just going for a walk. And then I'm actually gonna end the video here, you guys. I'm going to head back to my way and see. Maybe I'll get a massage on the way back. We'll see. But I'll see you guys later on the next one. Thank you for coming back to another episode of In My Dreams. It's a place where I'm living mine, and I'm going to teach you guys how to live yours too, because that's what life is about. And I'll see you guys in the next episode. Peace, guys.